Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're checking out the Makita XLC01ZB 18-volt LXT Cordless Vacuum, a powerful and compact machine that promises to make cleaning easier and more efficient. With its lightweight design, the vacuum is geared towards users who need portability without sacrificing performance. It's an ideal option for anyone looking for a cordless model that doesn't compromise on suction power. Whether you're tidying up in your workshop, garage, or home, the XLC01ZB stands out with its 35 CFM suction power, providing a solid cleaning performance across various surfaces. The suction is powered by an 18-volt 5.0 amp-hour LXT battery, offering up to 60 minutes of continuous runtime on a single charge. Though the battery is sold separately, you can easily pair it with any compatible Makita LXT battery you already have. The vacuum features a simple push-button power selection, allowing you to toggle between high and low settings depending on the job at hand. This makes it versatile, catering to different cleaning scenarios and helping extend battery life when needed. One of the key features of the Makita XLC01ZB is its compact design, measuring just 19 inches in length. This makes it easy to maneuver around tight spaces, and its ergonomic build ensures that it's comfortable to handle for extended periods. Despite its smaller size, it doesn't feel flimsy. The robust construction suggests durability, and it's clear that Makita's reputation for creating reliable tools extends to this vacuum. Whether you're dealing with dust, debris, or pet hair, the vacuum's performance remains consistent, even on different floor types like carpets and hard floors. However, the real test comes when we take a look at how well it performs in various practical scenarios. When it comes to cleaning fine dust or crumbs, the XLC01ZB handles hard floors well, picking up even the smallest particles with ease. The suction power is more than adequate for everyday messes, but it truly shines when lifting pet hair and embedded dirt from carpets and rugs. It's strong enough to pull dirt from deeper fibers, though you might need to switch to the high setting for more stubborn debris. As for its use on stairs, upholstery, and car interiors, the vacuum really shines thanks to its included attachments, which are perfect for these more detailed tasks. The versatility of the attachments allows for easy access to narrow areas and delicate surfaces, making it a great all-around cleaner. However, it's not all flawless. While the XLC01ZB does a solid job on most surfaces, it can struggle with longer pet hair. The brush roll doesn't have the anti-tangle features seen in some higher-end models, meaning you may need to clean the brush roll regularly. For those looking for a vacuum that requires less maintenance, this could be a deal breaker. Additionally, while the suction is great for general use, it's not as powerful as some larger corded vacuums, especially when cleaning deeply embedded dirt in thick carpets. In terms of noise, the XLC01ZB is relatively quiet, especially in low mode. The noise level is something that'll be appreciated by anyone who's used to louder models. It's not silent, but it's certainly not overwhelming either. As for its maintenance, the vacuum uses disposable paper or cloth dust bags, which makes cleaning up afterward quick and easy. No bags to mess with, and you don't have to deal with the dust flying out during disposal. Just remove and replace the bag as needed. Now let's talk about value for money. The Makita XLC01ZB comes in at a price point that places it in the mid-range category for cordless vacuums. While it's not the cheapest option, it offers excellent performance for users who need a lightweight, portable vacuum that delivers consistent results. Compared to similar models like the Dyson V7 Trigger or the Black Decker BDH2000PL, the XLC01ZB stands out with its longer runtime and Makita's trusted build quality. The downside is that the battery isn't included, which means you'll need to purchase it separately if you don't already own one. However, if you're a fan of Makita tools, you likely already have compatible batteries, making this a convenient option for those invested in the LXT ecosystem. In terms of direct comparisons, the XLC01ZB's biggest rival in this category would be the Dyson V7 Trigger. The Dyson is similarly powerful, but tends to be priced higher and may offer more refined features, such as the anti-tangle brush roll and more advanced filtration. However, the XLC01ZB still holds its ground with its ergonomic design and ability to handle a variety of tasks with ease. Another competitor is the Black-Decker BDH2000PL, which offers comparable suction and attachments. But again, it tends to be louder and bulkier, and the XLC01ZB's more compact design wins out in terms of portability and ease of use. When it comes to build quality, the Makita XLC01ZB impresses with its sturdy construction. It feels solid with well-assembled parts that don't rattle or feel flimsy. The dustbin is easy to empty, and the design of the attachments makes them simple to attach and detach without struggle. As for long-term maintenance, cleaning the dust bag and brush roll is straightforward. Over time, the vacuum holds up well, but like most cordless vacuums, the battery's longevity might degrade slightly with heavy use, especially after a year or two. That said, the vacuum's overall durability makes it a solid investment for light to moderate cleaning tasks. Customer support from Makita is generally good, with a reputation for quick response times and reliable warranty handling, though you probably won't need it unless you experience a rare issue. The vacuum itself is fairly low maintenance, and Makita's reputation for longevity in their tool line gives us confidence that this vacuum will hold up well over time. In conclusion, the Makita XLC01ZB 8-volt LXT cordless vacuum is a solid choice for those looking for a versatile, portable vacuum that doesn't sacrifice suction power or ergonomics. It's particularly suited for users who already own LXT batteries and want a reliable vacuum for smaller spaces, pet hair, and everyday messes. It might not replace a full-size, heavy-duty vacuum for deep carpet cleaning, but for its intended use, it performs exceptionally well. If you need something lightweight, easy to maneuver, and efficient on a variety of surfaces, this vacuum is worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you won't miss out on future reviews. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to get the Makita XLC01ZB can be found in the comments box below. Drop a comment if you have any questions, or if you already own this vacuum. Share your experiences with us. Goodbye till next time, and keep those spaces clean, because messes don't stand a chance with Reviews Inside TV.